Guys, today I got a squashmallow.
It's a mallo.
And there's a unicorn and a penguin. But I'm hoping that I either get the purple panda bear, the cow, or the sloth. So we're gonna unbox this. I don't know how to unbox it with one hand. Hold on, I'm just gonna open this off camera. Okay, we got it. We got it. Well, I got it. Is it Walmart? Oh, let's see what we got. We got the unicorn. Really? Really? Okay. Okay, it's cute. It's fine. So yeah, it's just that. Just one unicorn. Really soft. And their head feels like a marshmallow.
Mallo.
Okay, yeah, well, could you stop? That's all we got.